Okay, this is page 173, number 36. It's a great little problem because it's going to help prepare us for the unit where we study exponential functions and logarithms. So I notice I've got an equation here, and I've got to solve for n, the value of n that occurs here and here and here, that makes this equation true. So here's a little hint. I notice that I've got base of 2 here, and then I've got basis of 2 on the right side. Instead of trying to simplify anything, I am going to leave everything in a base 2, because I recognize this. If I get 2 raised to some expression that represents an exponent on one side equal to 2 raised to some expression that's an exponent on the other side, well then, if these two are both expressions, I know that if the two sides of the equation are equal, that these two expressions must be equal to each other, right? They must represent the same value. And so that's my goal, is to get it like this. Once I do that, then I can equate the two exponents and solve for n, since n is in the exponents. So on the left, I'm raising a power to a power, so I'm going to be multiplying these exponents, so I get 2 to the 6n equals. And simplifying this one, I'm going to raise a power to a power, so I'm going to multiply the 3 by n. So 2 to the 3n times 2 to the n plus 6. So I'll do this one step at a time. I've still got a 2 to the 6n equals. Now I'm multiplying two powers here on the right with the same base, so I'm going to add these exponents. 2 to the 3n plus n plus 6. So I've got 2 to the 6n power equals 2 to the 3n plus the 1n is a 4n plus 6. Now, if you check it out, I've got exactly what I wanted here. This is a 6n, and this is a 4n plus 6. And if the left and the right side are equal, then those two expressions must represent the same value. So at that point, that's where I realized that I can equate these two. They must represent the same value. So 6n equals 4n plus 6, subtracting 4n, 2n equals 6, so n is equal to a positive 3. And I'll leave the check to you, but if you plug a 3 back in here, I think you'll get 2 to the 18th equals 2 to the 18th on both sides. And that's it.